This is gonna blow your mind. Join us at Education Initiative by ACH Solutions, where IT and cybersecurity knowledge meets real-world application. Our mission is simple: to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Whether you're preparing for campus placements, looking to strengthen your business's cybersecurity posture, or just curious about the latest tech trends, we've got you covered. Learn practical frameworks like ISO 27001 and SOC 2 to secure your organization. Stay ahead with the latest tech news and cybersecurity trends. Explore detailed guides and real-world tips to build your IT and cybersecurity career. And join our growing community of learners and professionals. Join the movement to build a safer digital world. Subscribe now to Education Initiative by ACH Solutions and become a part of our tech-savvy community. Together, let's make IT and cybersecurity accessible for everyone.